White Bulls Barbecue, the best damn barbecue ever.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Welcome back, barbecue fam. Today we're doing picanha. It's gonna be amazing. This is a top sirloin cap. I'm gonna show you how to cut the steaks out right now. We're gonna get them on the Treager Ranger. We're gonna pretty much reverse sear them to 135. It's gonna be fuego, and we got sofrito rice to boot. Let's do the damn thing. Hit that like and subscribe. Let's go. All right, so we got the Treager Ranger rolling at 235. We're about to throw these picanhas on. Let's do it. We're gonna put the fat cap towards the outer sides so that renders down a little more as this smokes. Just starting to break down. We'll be back in another 15 to probe. Just probed these. They're sitting around 125. We're gonna take them off, rest them, sear them, 45 seconds aside at 400. Let's go. All right, so once this climbs to 375, 400, you let it go for 5 minutes so that plate can really heat up and you get a true sear. Let's do the damn thing, all right? Time for the flip. All right, so we got the Treager Ranger shutting down. We pulled these things at 135 internal. We're about to slice them after a 5-minute rest. Let's go. We got rice coming too. It's gonna be lit. Guys, so we reverse seared these. We smoked them at 235 until they hit about 115, rested them for 5, let that Ranger heat up to 400, let that cast plate get hot enough for a good sear, and we pulled them around 133, 135. That's about perfect to me. You can go rarer, you can go more medium, but that's where I like it. Let's slice these open and first look at the crust. Remember, these are dry aged. This is gonna be insane. This feels like really spongy in my hand, especially that fat cap. Look at this. This is ridiculous. Ranger with the sear. Let's slice these up. And with every slice, you're gonna get a little bit of this cap in it. That's what makes picanha special. That's what makes it the queen, because every bite you get a little piece of that crown. So let's do it. Look at that. Super juicy. It never looks on camera as rare as it actually is. This is about perfect to me. But I'd rather you guys see it in natural light than not see it at all. I mean, than see it in fake light and you guys are not getting the real effect. We don't do camera effects here. There you go. Nice and juicy. I'm curious to see how it tastes. Let me cut the other one. Nice. Time to eat it. Let's see. Yeah. That's fire. All right, so there you have it. We got rice and beans with picanha. Rice and beans recipe will be below. Incredible. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Hit that like and subscribe as always. Another bomb recipe, guys. The tenderness on these picanhas is out of this world. The cap on top of every bite, out of this world. 235, reverse sear it, done deal. 45 seconds to a minute on each side at 400. Game changer, pull it at 133. Let's go. Classic, going for the rice and beans. We know that's it.
This is so perfect.
Yeah, the olive is making it pop. How about that picanha?
Let me get it in that. I've been telling us. Hold up. Hold up.
It hit different?
Hold up. Let me just try one of these without any of that. I'll be sweating up. Goodness right there. Man.
We done did it?
We done did it.
We done did it. All right, brother.
Very
Good
beefy
stuff.
taste, bro.
Beefy.
Dry age is the way.
Dry age is the way. Shout out to Charlie and Son Market. White Plains, New York.
Shout out to Tech Chef Jay.
Tech Chef Jay, of course. Sending us these dry agers from Charlie and Son. About to dig in. Let's go.
White Bulls Barbecue. The best damn barbecue ever.